I'm here to spill the beans on the 12 wealth-building secrets straight from the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Ready to level up your financial game? Secret number 1. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Secret number 2. Embrace the power of education. Secret number 3. Take calculated risks. Secret number 4. Think long-term. Secret number 5. Surround yourself with successful people. Secret number 6. Master the art of negotiation. Secret number 7. Learn to manage your money wisely. Secret number 8. Diversify your investments. Secret number 9. Stay disciplined and focused. Secret number 10. Continuously increase your income streams. Secret number 11. Stay informed and adapt to market changes. Secret number 12. Give back and create a legacy. Time to unlock your path to financial freedom.